Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome back to our channel. We are
Crazy Sisters.
I'm Honey and we're back with another interesting video. Today's fun adventure is Hocking Hills. We're visiting Hocking Hills. Before jumping into the fun part, remember, it's never too late to subscribe, like, and share to friends and family. Okay, now let's get involved in this trip. To let you know, Hocking Hills is in Ohio. It took us nearly an hour and a half to get there from our place. We visited this place 3 weeks back during fall time. Here we're entering the Hocking Hills State Park. See, there's a sign over there. Ahead, there's the state park's parking lot. Guys, remember, if you want to visit Hocking Hills at peak times, it is really hard to get a parking space. As you can see, people were even parking in the grass too. Even that lane is full. We were lucky enough to have a spot in that busy day. Now, we are entering into the parking lot. Look at Bubbly getting prepared for the fun. Me and Bubbly are really excited. I'm also busy packing my stuff. Hey guys, do you know this Hocking Hills State Park is the biggest park in Ohio State? Also, this park has received national and international acclaim as a top park to visit. This park is located in Hocking County in Ohio State. Personally, I feel this is one of the best visiting places. If you are in Ohio or planning to visit Ohio, I would recommend to go and enjoy. Look here, it looks like a cabin mansion, right? It's actually the visiting center. As you can see, this is one way to start the hike, but there are more ways than one. I was feeling like a genius in getting buried in information of the map, seriously, to figure out from where we can start off. We went inside the visiting center and ahead, there's a big map, the one I was just holding earlier. The staff over there was very helpful and very nice. The fox over there is a real dead animal, and there's a bear also, which I'll show you in a minute. Whoa, look at those animal skins. Those are all original. They all have good pictures and cool ones too. There's a bear over there, the one I mentioned before. Look at Bubbly over there. She's roaming around in the reference trails, which is a mini demo version of the real trails. Staff members are explaining the route and which way to go.
Okay, so we are right here in this cluster. So this trail is just the sidewalk out here. So take a left on the sidewalk. You're gonna go up here to A, which is Upper Falls. Go across the bridge.
We chose the route that is over 4 miles of hiking. That's a long way, 4 miles, isn't it? Oh my god, do you see that snake? The staff said some name of the snake, but I forgot. The staff said you might see some snakes like this on the trip. Hi, you can see that this is a trail entrance. So when you go inside, in the real cave, this is how it looks. So they're just showing a demo of it. So this is how it is. So when you enter, there's some rocks, stones, it's super realistic. So when you go up, there's some rocks here. So we'll show how it looks out there. So if you look through it is super realistic because look at that. So in the winter it's supposed to look like that because of the ice. It's super realistic. So when you go down, you see all the wood, logs, and stones. There's a couple ice puddles. So then you can just learn about the stuff here. So this is the view. That's the picture of the wheel. So those are the stairs. You go up and hike. What you wear on the trail. So you wear like this 20-degree difference in temperatures while hiking. So it tells about what type of shoes you need. You need hiking sticks like that. All these times, so years. So you can see how it looked in 1785. It's super different from now. This is a real log from the forest. They put some type of liquid on it and hardened it. It looks super redgy and it has a bunch of edges. And it's really shiny. So let's get into the gift shop. Inside the visiting center, this is a cool gift shop. And we can see different kinds of stones, rocks, hiking sticks, and other stuff. That's what I have. What is it? Amma, I have these, Amma. I knew it is from somewhere. I have them at home as a collection. I knew I have a handful at home.
Hot bubbly?
What? Bright colors. Oh, I have a couple of these at home. You have like a purple one like this, right? And you have...
What? What?
This is a bird collar. So when you twist this metal piece here, it makes a bird chirping sound. So you can interact with the birds. So the birds can come closer to you and be friendlier. This is very interesting. This is not a toy. I even wrote it. It's very cool. I just wanted to give you brief information about Hocking Hills. Actually, 330 million years ago, Hocking Hills was actually covered by the Atlantic Ocean, which caused the rocks to be shaped like that. So if you've ever been, the rocks are shaped differently. At the same time period, there was an American Indian handprint on a cliff. Also, it appears that two brothers built Hocking Hills. One's name is Nathaniel and the other's is Pat Rayon. They arrived in 1795 and they built a cabin next to Old Man's Cave. Then, in 1924, the state of Ohio purchased 146 acres of land in Hocking Hills, including Old Man's Cave. After that, in 1949, the Ohio Department of Natural Resources divided the Hocking Hills area into 7 park areas. Now we are calling them 7 hiking areas, which include Old Man's Cave, Cedar Falls, Ash Caves, Rock House, Whispering Cave, and Conkle's Hollow, Cantwell Cliffs. I was finishing up my Subway lunch and I saw a wall. I said, why not climb on it? So I did. And now clearly you can see the entrance of the visiting center. Let's go start hiking by following the footsteps. Guys, now is the time to go and subscribe to our channel if you're not subscribed yet. And give us more boost by liking and sharing our videos so that we can come up with more interesting videos and with high energy. As you see here, this is the beginning of one of the trails. Let's start here. In some places, you can hear the natural sound of waterfalls and watch the beautiful scenery.
Waterfall sound బాగుంది కదా.
Guys, one thing to share with you is this Hocking Hills Park is open for all seasons. People were saying if we visit in summer, the place is cool. And in fall, it is colorful. And in winter, you can see the ice crystals forming on the waterfalls and caves. Guys, one interesting thing is these trails are open from half an hour before sunrise to half an hour after sunset. Look at me, I was having such a great time climbing and investigating because that's what I like to do. See? Be careful, myself. Don't fall. I made it. I'm trying to sit down. Yes, I made it up. Guys, how many of you like to explore nature and have fun? Comment down below if you do. Can you guess where we're going? Me, Bubbly, and my dad are going climbing up into the cave. Balance, Bubbly, balance. The rocks were slippery, so I couldn't climb up that easily. My dad had to help us both. That was real fun. Look over there, me and my dad having fun, playing catching water bottles. I'm throwing it and he's throwing it back to me to see if we can catch it. With our experience, one suggestion is waterproof boots because it was bothering us when the shoes got wet and it's very uncomfortable to walk with wet shoes. Another suggestion is, depending on the distance you choose, plan your baggage. If you choose long distance, better to carry less baggage, to walk actively, and carry a water bottle for sure, as you cannot get any water in the middle. Look there, another mission accomplished successfully. Yay, I made it up there. Look at the technique me and my dad are using. I call it the duck walk. It's helping us get there faster. See? It looks funny though, but it's very useful. Now Bubbly's trying to do the same thing. It looks even more funnier. Now we're entering into the small dark cave. Hear the crazy noises we made. Now we just came down to the water where the waterfalls are. I like rock collecting, so I'm collecting rocks. There's the waterfall there. Me and my dad are trying to play jump rock. Oh, these are the cutest dogs. They're posing for a photo. They're not even moving. Wow. That's so cute. You got this. Go fetch the stick, dog. Come on. Swim. Yeah, you got it. Good job. I guess I'm good at making boats. I even tried it standing up this time. Let's see if I can make it perfect. Oh, and it's approved that I can make it perfect. That's pretty good. A nice boat. That's the end of the trail. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.